Let's talk about standing tall. And no, I'm not just talking about physical height. When a group of women were asked about their dream partners, many mentioned height as a key trait. But here's the catch. It's not about how tall someone is, it's about the way they carry themselves. Confidence is what women actually find irresistible, and that's something anyone can embody. Think about it. Walking hunched over, slouching, or avoiding eye contact doesn't exactly scream self-assured. And yet many of us have fallen into these habits without even realizing it. Why? Because posture reflects confidence, or the lack of it. And confidence, my friend, is a game changer when it comes to attraction. Studies show that people are naturally drawn to those who seem confident and self-assured. It's not just a vibe, it's in your body language. Standing tall with a straight back gives the impression that you're in control and self-possessed. And trust me, that subtle shift can instantly raise your charm score. But let's get practical. How do you actually come across as confident? Here are a few tips that will not only help you look the part, but also feel it. 1. Straighten your posture. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and head held high. A good posture isn't just attractive, it's an instant confidence booster. 2. Mind your hands. Never cross your arms or legs in a closed-off way. It signals discomfort or fear. Instead, keep your hands relaxed, or clasp them lightly in front of your stomach for an open and approachable look. 3. Walk with purpose. Confident people don't shuffle or drag their feet. Take wider, deliberate steps and move with energy. It's a simple way to command attention wherever you go. Here's another trick. Use subtle hand gestures to project confidence. For example, touch your fingertips together in a pyramid shape during conversations. This creates an impression of control and thoughtfulness. And don't panic over small mistakes. If you drop something or stumble on your words, brush it off. Confident people understand that mistakes are normal. It's how you handle them that matters. Keep your energy light and self-assured, and the person you're with will sense that confidence. Now, let's talk about energy. The way you move and hold yourself sends subconscious signals to the person you're with. If they're crossing their arms or legs, for example, it could mean they're feeling unsure, or it might even be an invitation to get closer, depending on their posture. Pay attention to these cues and mirror their energy subtly to build connection. And here's the fun part, flirting through body language. If someone is touching their hair or their face more than usual, it's often a sign they're feeling playful or flirty around you. Mirror this energy gently if it feels right, and see where the moment takes you. Finally, remember that confidence is about balance. A little bit of mystery, a mix of warmth and distance, can make you even more magnetic. You don't always need to be available or overly eager. Keep your energy calm, open, and grounded, and watch your charm score soar. Follow for more tips on confidence and attraction.